All right, hello everyone. So today, as you can see, we have another package from Smart Doll Culture Japan. And so this is a doll that we have been waiting on since she was first teased, and I'm very excited to get her. And this time I remembered to request FedEx, and so she arrived like within about 3 days from Japan. So it's very exciting. So I'm going to go ahead and open her up, and Mika is, as you can see, she likes to supervise, so she's over here just seeing what's going on. Alright, so this is the first doll that we've gotten with the new canvas bag. So it definitely looks very classy and has a nice natural feel to it. I'll set this down out of the way. So there it is. Alright. And now is the box with her goodies and the other things that we ordered. Alright, so first in here we did go ahead and order the slim cinnamon male bust for our extra boy body, which we're going to be doing a custom Smart Doll boy in the near future. We're getting ready to send his head off for his face up, so that's very exciting. And when he gets back, he'll have the new slim body. And Malachi and I each ordered the Millennium Girl Culture Japan t-shirts, and so these are actually kind of a cream color, which is really nice, and they've got the Mirai Millennium logo. It's got looks like Kanata, Mirai, and Haruka, so those are really cool. We'll see. I think Mika's already got her eye on one of these. All right. Then we have the Smart Doll stand in T, which might give you an idea of who's arrived. And her wig, and this is the first of the the cherry color that we've gotten. It's the parting medium. Go ahead and get that out so that we get it ready. There it is. And these are always really tight to start, so stretch it out a little bit to make it less arduous to get on the head. Move the scissors safely out of the way. All right, so let's see who we have. All right, so she is wearing the new underwear, and let's see what color we got. Now, Danny Choo has been sending them just in different random colors of their default underwear. You don't get to choose, and so this is a green one, which is, we don't have one of those, so that's really exciting. And there she is. So put her up there. Can you see who that is? So we have another addition to the kitty girls. We've got Curiosity, and she's got her green with Smart Doll The Future Is in Your Hands underwear set. All right, so let's go ahead then and get her in her wig so that she can have a proper introduction. So I'll just set her down here. And let's get that adjusted. There we go. Oh yes. And the green works very nicely with her red hair. Set up. So she's balancing pretty well. But just in case, we'll go ahead and get her stand on. And that just slips in the back. And how you angle it, you can completely hide it in photographs, which allows you to do a lot of really interesting scenes. All right, let's try to adjust it a little bit more. There we go. So now we've also been saving some accessories for her, since we knew we wanted to get her when she was teased, you know, early last year. And so we have the large painted tea bust that we were able to pick up secondhand. So she has that. So she'll be able to effectively participate in the Smart Doll Topless Challenge. And I'm going to take her stand off for now, but she is a kitty girl, and so like all kitty girls, they need a tail. So one of Malachi's flexible tails that he makes gave her her own kitty tail. There we go. There is Curiosity.